Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Google Search Lab if you are not living in the United States. As you can see here, this is Google Search Lab. Is the one here. I'm not in the United States. That's why I'm not able to access it, as you can see here. So how did I access to Google Lab when I'm not in the US? So you're gonna need a VPN, okay, but not any VPN. Some VPN doesn't allow you to get Google Lab search. As you can see here, okay, this is the website I just used. Okay, go to Google. Let's go to Google. We look for it. Come to Google. Look for WinScript VPN. This is the one here. Click download. From here, if you are using Windows, must download it. Okay, I've already downloaded it and install it. But also remember, your browser must be Google Chrome. You have also to download Google Chrome and install it on your PC or laptop. When you install it, when you install WinScript VPN, you must register. Okay. When you register, you don't even have to put the email address. Okay. When you register, you can switch it on. Okay. Right now, they say I am in Chicago. Okay. You can also change your location here. All the one that got this star, they are not free. You have to upgrade before using it. See, I can use Chicago Club. Okay, as you can see, I can use Miami. I can use Miami. I can use New York. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Chicago. All right. So now let's go back to Google again. Okay, as you can see here right now. Okay, they say Search Lab isn't available. I'm gonna go again to Google and look for it. I'm gonna come back to Google and I'm gonna say I'm gonna look for Google Lab Search. If I click here, now you can see, right? And then I wasn't having this before. This what I was having before. But after activating that VPN, now I got access to Google Lab. Okay. So what we are going to do here, we can turn all this on. I'm gonna click agree, turn on, agree, turn on, agree, turn on, and agree. All right. So now when you're done here, we are going back to Google. Now we are back to Google. As you can see here, right now we have access to AI powered. Okay, you can see it here, and you can see also here Search Lab. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this thing works. Okay, I'm gonna ask it how to use Google Search Console. Now watch, look what is happening here. Okay, they say it's not available for this search. Okay, let's say something else. How to use Google Analytics. Now look what we got here. Can you see this? And you can see show more is what we got. And it's gonna show you a tutorial here. Okay. I'm gonna show you more videos. Let me try another thing. Let's see, web designer, website designer near me. Okay, as you can see here, get an AI powered overview for this search. I'm gonna click generate. As you can see right now, my location, which is not true. I'm not in this place. You see what we got here? Okay, you can ask a follow-up. Let's say ask a follow-up. This is what we got. It's not bad. I like it. Let's go back. Let's say best TV show. I can say best TV brand. As you can see here, what we got. Okay, it's what we got. You can show more. I'm gonna show you here Samsung with prices. I'm gonna show you the organic down here. It's so nice. So this is how you use Google Lab, a new feature of Google Search. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe. Ciao.